when it's not busy building self-driving cars or sci-fi glasses. Google sometimes does a little good, like pledging a $600,000 grant to the Enable Community Foundation to provide free prosthetics to those who need them. The grant is part of a new initiative, Google Impact Challenge Disabilities, that the tech giant announced Tuesday. Google said it will donate $20 million from its nonprofit arm, Google.org, to nonprofits using emerging technologies to increase independence for people living with disabilities, according to a blog post.